Hey, don't you know how to pick up your drop servicing niche? Before I share with you how to pick your niche, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And so what I'm going to be covering today is that there are two types of services. There are non-ROI based services. That could be a logo design, flyer design, Instagram management services. You got it. Those are the services that are not directly related to the money the company makes, or at least it's very hard to track or measure whether it is contributing to any sales at all. And the second type of services, there are ROI-based services, or for those of you who don't understand what ROI means, that means return on investment based services. This could be from offering a company to help them bring more customers or generate more sales. So in a nutshell, your success or failure in performing that service is directly dependent upon whether you're provided a positive ROI to your client or not. So what matters most is that you bring them more profit than what they're paying you for. My perfect formula if you want to succeed in drop servicing is this. All right, pick a service. First, you gotta pick a service which is ROI based. Second, it must be able to generate a recurring revenue. Third, the industry you're reaching out to must be very easy to reach out to. Fourth, the service you're providing to help improve your client's business or to solve a problem must be shared by many businesses of that same kind of businesses. Now, if you're offering an ROI-based an ROI-based service, which is successful, your client will be paying you every single month. Every client will compound over the next one, which will make your revenues grow bigger and bigger and bigger. It's not like a one-time shot. It's not like a one-time sale. Okay? So that's how you build a money machine business where you're making your clients happy, which is the ultimate purpose of the whole thing. And out of my six drop service and businesses, in one of them, we charge $500 per month per client, literally working less than 30 minutes per month per client. Sounds crazy, right? They keep paying us. Why? Because we bring them way more money than what they're paying us for. If you want to know more about my job service and business, that one that I'm talking about, and you want to copy my exact same business model, I reveal exactly my most profitable job service and business out of the six that I have, and I'm sharing my exact job servicing blueprint business step by step only with a few people. First come, first served. It will include all the scripts, all the emails, presentations, how to run ads for the clients, everything, literally everything that I'm using, word for word. I show exactly where to find those clients who have the money for free, how to reach them out, what to tell them, how to answer their objections, literally everything to the letter. So you won't need to hire anyone to do any copywriting or video marketing for you. You don't need to create anything out of your head. You just need to copy and paste and just apply exactly what I'm gonna be teaching you. So now, the reason I'm sharing, because many of you might ask, why would you share this business if that makes you that great money? For those of you who don't know me, I have other businesses that I'm more inspired by. I don't love job service, and I love it because that makes me money. Of course, that makes my customers happy, but still, that's not my ultimate purpose. I'm not inspired by it, but still, I do it because that brings me money to focus on what I love to do, okay? So the reason I'm sharing this business model is because there are millions, literally hundreds of millions of that same very specific target businesses. I would never be able to reach not even 0.00001% of them, so I'd rather share it with you, with other people to make great money as well and to be able to focus on their dreams, whether it is going to Thailand, living your 9-to-5 job, just spending more time with family, quality time, whatever it is, or just build up your own idea just like me, whatever it is, that's what I'm sharing it with you. It's not just to keep focusing on it, but still to be able to do what you love, because that kind of business literally takes you less than 30 minutes per customer to focus on. But at the same time, I don't want to share it with thousands of people to avoid everybody doing the same thing, right? The price is normally $19.95 if you check me on Fiverr. Up to now, I'm having great return on it. Like, I'm having 6 clients. I just started it less than a month ago. But for the first 5 people that are going to be coming from YouTube, among my subscribers, you that you're watching me, is only going to be $14.95 one-time payment. No website, no funnel needed. Everything is free. You just need to pay once. I'm going to show you everything that you need to do for $0. Okay, just remove that fancy stuff, remove that funnel, remove that website. When you get your first testimonials, then I'm gonna show you exactly how you can build your own funnel, but not now. Let's stick with the basics. So you literally just have to copy and paste what I'm gonna be giving you. If you found this video very helpful, smash the like button for me and leave any question down below in the comments if you have ones. And again, make sure guys, be epic and have a wonderful day. You take care. Bye-bye.